Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Substack. First, you will create your account using an email address or by logging in with Google. Next, you will choose a unique name for your publication and a custom web address. Finally, write a concise description of what your newsletter will cover. This initial setup takes only a few minutes and is the first step to sharing your writing with the world. Once your account is ready, it is time to craft your first post. Substack provides an intuitive editor where you can write and format your content with ease. Feel free to add engaging images, videos, or other media to make your posts more dynamic. You have the flexibility to schedule your post for a specific future date or publish it instantly to your growing audience. Building a strong readership is key to a successful Substack. You can easily import any existing email lists to give your subscriber count an immediate boost. Make sure to share your unique publication link across all your social media channels to reach a wider audience. Also, encourage your current readers to share your valuable content with their friends and family, helping your community grow organically. Substack offers excellent options for monetizing your writing. You can enable paid subscriptions, allowing you to offer exclusive content to your most dedicated readers. You have full control over setting your monthly or annual subscription prices, typically ranging from $5 to $10 per month. To process these payments securely, simply connect your Stripe account, and you are ready to earn from your valuable work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.